Hi, the first thing you're going to do is go to splashmath.com and then do a teacher sign up for free. You're going to have to create a login. It's okay if you lie about your age. St. James School and sign up. And they're going to send you a confirmation. So let me get you okay. Let's submit that. Now I'm ready to name my class. And then you can put all your students' names here. You can also upload a spreadsheet. It doesn't matter. Let me just add a few students. And then you would add all your students with commas in between. Click Add Students. And then you can hit Done when you have all your students in there. And your students are actually going to use the app to log in. We're simply going to go to the dashboard. This is the code that your students are going to use. Let me just close that out. And we also want to join the select. That gives you a little bit more access. So put yes for that. Great. And then you're able to assign different kinds of topics. So maybe you're starting with some just first kind of addition. You can assign it to just a few students, or you can assign it to the whole class. And then you're going to click OK. And then what I want to do now is show you what that looks like on the student iPad. What I want to do before you have your students get started with this is to edit their password so that they're very appropriate for whatever grade level. So the younger the grades, the easier the password needs to be for them. So I am in Class Management tab, and I see my students. I can simply click on Edit. And this is where I can also, if I have a misspelled name or I want to add last names or anything like that. Brown 19 is a little bit hard for my first graders. Blue is a great color for our school. All right, so we're going to save that. So we know that that one's been changed to blue, and I can do that same thing for all of them, giving them the same password. It's a great introduction to passwords and how that all works. So now I'm going to go back to showing you my, let's see, plug in, do class, my class code. And then Joe, and then blue, submit, he's signing in. So now he sees his to-do. So he can go to my to-dos and he can start the lesson that you have given him to do. Pretty cool. Just kind of controlling exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the answer is 8. And then I'm going to have so much fun completing this assignment with my teacher. And then in here, you'll actually see the results of some of their assignments. You can add them new assignments. If we go to student performance, I can click on Joe, and if he had finished some work, we would actually see some progress here, if that makes any sense, and time spent, and just all kinds of great information. So you can make this kind of a little bit of a supplemental part to your math program.